We'll guide you through how to generate app passwords in your Google account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
This is really useful if you want to securely connect your Gmail to apps like email client, website, or tools without using the main password. To get started, open your browser and make sure you are logged in with the correct account that you want to use. On the top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Just click on it and click on Manage Your Account. This will open your settings. Now from here, look over at the left hand side and click on Security and Sign In. From here, just scroll down and you will see an option labeled as two-step verification. This step is required, so if it is not enabled yet, go ahead and turn it on by following the setup process. This usually involves verifying your phone number or using a security method like prompts or codes. And once two-step verification is enabled, stay in the security section and look for app password. If you don't see it, just go to the top and use the search bar to search for app password. Just type app and you should see it in the recommendation. Just click on app password and Google may prompt you to confirm your account password again before continuing. Just enter your password and click on next. Now you will be on the app's password page. Here you will see an option to create new password. In the app field, type anything that you want. And let's say I'm just gonna go with mail app. And after typing the name, just click on create. Google will now generate a 16-character app password. Once you close this window, you won't be able to see it again. If you lose it, you'll need to create a new one. You can now use this app password in place of your normal Gmail password when signing into app or setting up services like SMTP. Just enter your Gmail address as a username and this app password as the password. If you ever want to remove access, you can come back to the app password section and delete the password anytime. To do that, just go to your password section and delete any of the password that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete my SMTP password. Just click on this little bin icon and it will be removed. And this will instantly stop that app from accessing your account also. And that's how you generate app password in your Google account. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and follow for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.